Hey guys, it's Sharika. Before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. And this is how the lace looks on the unit. This is a 13x4 lace. The unit is pre-plucked for you, so this is a low maintenance unit, but the lace is really soft, so it's easy to melt right into the skin. And this is the inside of the unit, so it looks like we'll be able to get some deep parting here. It has the 3 combs, one on each side and then 1 comb in the back, along with your adjustable straps. And I'm gonna go ahead and dye this unit. I like to use the Clairol Texture and Tone in the color Silken Black. So this is how the hair looks. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. Now it still has that wet look. It's not as wet as it looks because what I use is these two together. So this is the Can2 Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream, and then I pair it with the Comeback Curl. This is how it looks. So I like to pair these two together, but because it just gives it that wet look without it being wet. I really like this a lot. Look how pretty these curls are. So cute. This is the part. Really pretty. I love it. And this is how it looks in the back, so you guys can see the curls. So pretty, and this is where it falls on me. Yeah, I really like this a lot. Now without the product on it, it gets big. Like the hair gets really big, so I did have to, like I said, I wet it first and then I put the product on it and let it dry down, and this is what you have. So love this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.